Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can program the Powerbolt to electronic deadbolt step by step. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply go to the inside part of the lock, and then you just have to simply remove the battery cover. So when you remove the battery cover, you are going to see all of the batteries available, and underneath the battery section you will see this type of reset button, or it will be with the name programming button. So you just have to simply find it, and then you need to simply press this particular power button once. Afterwards, you just have to go back and start entering your new 4-digit user code on the keypad. In order to save the changes, simply press this particular lock button. If the programming is successful, it means the lock should flash green and the latch may move briefly. Afterwards, you just have to simply test your new code by locking and unlocking the deadbolt from the outside keypad. If you need to delete all the users later, you can just simply press and hold this particular power button for at least 5 seconds until the keypad flashes red. This is going to clear all the stored codes from the lock memory. You can then reprogram fresh codes from the scratch, and that's how you can basically program your Kwikset Powerbolt to electronic deadbolt. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.